Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to walk through this 2020 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. This particular boat is powered by a Mercury 64-stroke command thrust engine. You'll see the stainless steel flip down ladder on the back of the transom. This does have storage for the 5-gallon bucket on either side with rod and plier knife holders. Does have a transom live well. Upgraded fuel tank underneath the seat. This is Whaler's flip-flop seat. Here at the dash, you'll see 2 JL audio speakers, Fusion stereo with Bluetooth, Ritchie compass, and a stainless steel wheel. So we come around, lockable storage inside the center console. Coming on forward, you'll see this boat does have the sun pad option, forward cooler with backrest, more rod holders for storage. Also, you're going to have your trolling motor panel and plenty of storage in the bow. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.